and really just to build and engage a community and have everyone come together and be able to learn together and grow together. Because ultimately, I think for me, and I think for a lot of people that I've spoken to, the most valuable information is when you're actually getting that from the merchants themselves who have gone through those experiences.
Like, we started selling this product out of the trunk of our cars.
Don't be afraid to fail.
Inventory management is about balance.
Get the product out. That's number one.
I've always preached sustainable growth.
So we just started building community.
Look at the data.
Product development is everything.
Yeah, we say we're a brick, click, and pop.
But you have to love what you do.
I am Cassandra Ratcliffe, and I am from the Shopify local program based out of Vancouver. So I am the community manager for Vancouver, all the way up the Sea to Sky corridor up until Whistler. So what is a community manager, you may ask? Well, prior to COVID, we ran in-person events. We were brought on to do educational presentations, merchant panels, do community partnerships, and really just to build and engage a community and have everyone come together and be able to learn together and grow together. Because ultimately, I think for me, and I think for a lot of people that I've spoken to, the most valuable information is when you're actually getting that from the merchants themselves who have gone through those experiences. I had a couple nice little slides here, but I'll try to go through it without them, and I'll just pop the links into it after. So now with COVID, obviously has changed a lot. However, it's really exciting because we get to work and show kind of our events to a wider audience. So we get to work with people like Ivana and Scott, who sometimes we weren't able to do that on a regular basis just because of location barriers. I saw we had people from Boston, we have people from Montreal, which is super exciting. So I'm really happy for all of you to have joined, to have been spending some time really starting to think about Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and your holiday selling. It's one of those things, it seems really far away, but who would have thought the summer would have gone by so quickly? I know I didn't.
Hey, Cassandra, just I allowed sharing now. Sorry, that was my bad. You'll be able to share your slides now. Sorry about that.
Perfect, no worries, thank you. Okay, so just want to make sure you guys can all see the presentation now. Good. Yeah, amazing. Okay, so the second thing that I just wanted to show you is the Shopify Vancouver website. So this is where we post all of our events, now all of them digital. Hopefully sometime soon we'll be able to go back to in person. But this is where we showcase all of our events. So like I was saying, workshops, webinars, merchant panels, that sort of thing. We do a ton of workshops that are a little bit more hands-on, and panels, one of my favorite things. So if you head to shopifyvancouver.com, you'll be able to book a one-on-one merchant meeting with myself. These meetings are specifically geared towards business strategy, goal setting, kind of setting you in the right direction of where you want to get to, whether it's for your holiday selling, or maybe just next month, the month after that. If you go there and all the meetings are booked up and there's a different time that you're hoping for, just hit the contact page and then send me an email. We'll figure out a time. The other one is just the upcoming events. You'll see the ones that are specific to Vancouver region, as well as all of the other ones that are happening through our community managers across Canada, as well as some in the States and in New Zealand. And last but not least, resources. Scott touched on this. Resources are incredible. A lot of them are free, so utilize them. I know there's a ton of content out there, which can be sometimes overwhelming. So, which is why I wanted to show you one more resource, which is Shopify Compass. Again, I'll pop all of these links into the chat so you can take a look at them later. But Shopify Compass is our educational platform. You don't need a Shopify website. So if you're on a different platform or you're not even started yet, all you need to do is just sign up with your email and you get access to all of this information. There's things like programs. So whether you're just starting a business or you're bringing your retail business online, it's going to basically give you a step-by-step and you can go through all of the courses. In addition, there's courses on marketing, design, products, all that jazz. And last but not least, for Black Friday, Cyber Monday specifically, we are going to be running webinars, live and recorded webinars, specifically on topics that are going to be really, that should be top of mind going into Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Realistically, we're going to be talking about a ton of marketing and strategy today. We also want to be thinking about cash flow, fulfillment. It's all said and good if you have a ton of orders come through, but you want to make sure that that customer experience is great through and through. So starting to think about that sort of thing as well. Again, these are all free, so take a look at them. You can get the recording if you're not available at that time. But I'm super excited for all of you to be here and to be spending the time thinking about the holiday selling season now versus in October and realizing, oh my goodness, I probably should have started a while ago. So with that, just thank you.